Welcome to Go Lesson 20. Defer, panic and recover. These are Go's mechanisms for cleanup and error handling. Defer ensures code runs when a function returns. Panic and recover handle exceptional situations. Let us start with defer basics. Defer schedules a function call to run when the surrounding function returns. It runs after the function body, but before the return value is sent. Notice that deferred runs last, even though it appears in the middle. When you have multiple defers, they run in LIFO order. LIFO means last in, first out, like a stack of plates. The third defer was added last, so it runs first. Defer arguments are evaluated immediately, not when the defer runs. Even though x changes to 20, the deferred print shows 10. Let us review the complete code. The output shows defer running last, LIFO order, and captured arguments. Now let us see defer used for cleanup. The most common use of defer is to close resources. Open a file. Immediately defer its close. This pattern ensures cleanup happens even if errors occur later. Right after opening the file, we defer file.close. No matter how the function exits, the file will be closed. If writing fails, the deferred close still runs. Defer can modify named return values. Here, return 5 sets result to 5, then defer doubles it to 10. Be careful with defer in loops. All defers accumulate and run when the function exits, not each iteration. Let us see the complete code. The output shows cleanup, named return modification, and loop behavior. Now let us learn about panic. Panic stops the normal flow of a program. It is for unrecoverable errors, not regular error handling. We call safe divide twice. The second call panics. After a panic, the program stops and prints a stack trace. When dividing by 0, we call panic with an error message. The program immediately unwinds the stack. Let us review the code. The output shows the panic message and stack trace. This never prints was skipped. Finally, let us learn about recover. Recover stops a panic and returns the panic value. It only works inside a deferred function. We call risky operation which panics, but the program continues. This is because risky operation recovers from its own panic. The pattern is defer a function that calls recover. If recover returns non-nil, a panic occurred and was caught. After panic, the code after it never runs, but the defer does. This pattern is useful for processing multiple items. If one item panics, we recover and continue with the rest. Each call to safe process has its own recover. Zero panics, but others process normally. Let us see the complete code. The output shows recovered panic and successful processing of other items. Let us recap defer, panic, and recover. Defer runs code when a function returns. Use it for cleanup. Multiple defers run in LIFO order. Last added runs first. Panic stops normal execution for unrecoverable errors. Recover catches panics inside deferred functions. Thanks for watching. In the next lesson, we cover packages and modules in Go. Like and subscribe to continue your Go journey.